From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the FTSE 100 and the DAX, and you can see the FTSE 100 has pulled back rather significantly during the session here on Thursday. But what we are seeing more than anything else is the gap getting filled, and I think that's really what you should be paying the most attention to. This is a market that I believe will continue to attract buyers, but one of the biggest movers during the day, my suspicion, is the British pound itself. With that, I believe that we will eventually go looking towards 68 and then possibly the highs again. No interest in shorting, but there are a couple of headwinds. The British pound strengthening, but having said that, at the same time, the British pound is still somewhat historically cheap. 150 is probably a little closer to being norm. So I think eventually that shock will wear off, if you will. And at this point, I like buying the dips in this market. Absolutely no interest in trying to short. I do think that we eventually find our way to 7,000. The DAX, on the other hand, I think it's a little cleaner setup as we have formed a nice looking hammer. And that hammer will attract a certain amount of attention in and of itself. This is supported right here at about 13,900, and then the 50-day EMA could see support as well. So all things being equal, I think we're going to try to get to the top of this area and then eventually go looking towards 14,500.